Good day, Sir Mike. In this video, I'm going to perform the LE2 layout and diagram of sequential control circuits in the subject of 8228 Industrial Electrical Electronics Circuits and Devices. My name is Flavio Butaya Jr. from BTVTED ET2. Now I am using my Android phone and SIMURELAY application that I downloaded in Play Store, the latest version of simulator, EKTS application. This is LE2. Layout and diagram. Of sequential control circuit. Subject of 8228 Industrial Electrical Electronics Circuits and Devices. This application is compatible and to any Android phone, and it has complete components of electrical. ET2. Okay. First, I'm going to assemble or make is the control circuit of my sequential control circuit. In the control circuit, it has power phase line 1 and neutral. Then followed by or connected to the stop button, which is normally close button and normally open push button. After is the contactor coil. Then overload relay. Overload relay device is serve as the protection of the control circuit and power circuit for the entire operation. Then normally open contact, which is this one. Okay, this one is for motor 1 operation, then the motor 2 operation, same component, push button, normally open contact, then overload relay. Then this circuit is for motor 2. Then for motor 3, same component. Parallel, series, then overload relay. Okay. This is control circuit. Control circuit. Every time we use this or using this operation, it is important to indicate the label or values on each component. This is stop button, this is start 1, this is km, this is start 2, 2 km, numbers 2. This one is the start 3, start number 3. This one is km or magnetic contactor 3. Okay. This one is OL, overload relay. OL. This one is OL. Now we are done to control circuit. Proceed to the power circuit, which is composed of 3 contactor, 3-phase overload relay, and 3-phase motor. First is the 3-phase power phase L1, L2, L3. Then contactor 3P, 3 contactor for 3 motor, and 3 overload relay for 3 motor. Zoom in. then three-phase motor. Ayan ko lang, yan. Three-phase motor. Okay. Para then connections. Line 1, line 1, line 2 to line 2, line 3. Zoom in para anong connections. Line 1. No. Line 3. Then contactor to then 3 motor connection. Okay, after the connection of power circuit, the label or values of each. This one is motor 1. Motor 1. This one is heaters. Heaters, OL, overload relay or heaters. Then contactor 3P. Then motor 2. And motor 3. Okay. My power circuit is done and control circuit. Let's test if the connection is appropriate. Connection. Okay, the connection turns color, meaning to say there is a AC current flow in the conductors. This color will serve as the flow of current. Okay, this color, blue, orange, violet, orange. Okay. Then I'm going to start the motor 1, which is this motor. Voila. The motor 1 rotate. This arrow represents of the rotation of our motor. Then the start number 2. Okay. Same direction to motor 1. and as well as the magnetic contactor turns yellow. It means it energized. Then after energized, it sends a signal to activate the normally open contactor. Same as well to the start number 3. Okay, same direction, the motor. So it means our 3 motor is fully function, is in appropriate connection. When some sort of overheat is sensed by the heaters or overload relay, it automatically shut off or disconnect the connection, just like this. The overload relay or heaters turns red, and the 3-phase motor turns off. When the heaters will sense decreases or temperature decreases, the heater sense cool down of temperature, it turns on or goes back to its original position. That makes the motor rotate again. Okay. Same as well to the control circuit. When the overload relay sends the over current to the circuit, it automatically shut off, including the motor. Same in motor 2, it automatically shut off. Then in motor 1, it automatically shut off. Then if I start this button, there's no current because of overload relay, because our overload relay is turns on or sends overheat to the circuit. If it cool down, the red will disappear and the button can operate again. Okay, and when I stop this 3 motor, it together they are in stop operation. Okay, this sequential control circuit that I made is the sequence of first start 1 motor, and followed by start 2 motor 2, then lastly is the start 3 for motor 3. The sequence of control: start 1, then start 2, then start 3. If the operator operate the production to start number 2, start number 1, the motor connection will rotate. Then the number 2 motor, start number 2, will follow also, same as well in start number 3. When the generator turns off, the sequential control circuit will, including power circuit, will automatically turns off, shut off. That is all in this video, sir Mike, my sequential control circuit. However, in my traffic light circuit that I want to that I want to try to this application. It's difficult because it has payment. It has payment, which is to unlock full version, remove as, continue. It has a payment. That's all for today, sir. Thank you and God bless.